In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a video file right onto a Notion page so it's easy to view and reference alongside your notes, tasks, or documentation. First, open your web browser and head to notion.com. This is the homepage where you can access your account from any device with an internet connection. Once you're there, click Login, sign in with your usual method, and give it a moment to load your workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you actually want the video to live, so your content stays organized and accessible to the right people. Next, navigate to the specific page where you want to add your video. This could be a project hub, a meeting notes page, or any place you want the video to appear. Open that page and click into the body of the page so your cursor is active in the main content area. Now, on your keyboard, type a /. Notion uses this / command to bring up a quick insert menu which saves time and keeps you in the flow. When the drop-down menu appears, you'll see a long list of blocks you can add. Scroll through the list and find the option labeled Video. This inserts a video block right where your cursor is, so the video will sit naturally within your content. After you select Video, click Choose a Video. This opens your computer's file picker so you can upload a video from your local files, select the file you want, and confirm. Notion will begin uploading and processing the video. Depending on your file size and internet speed, this may take a moment, so be patient and let the upload complete. Once it finishes, you'll see a playable video embedded directly on your page with standard controls like play, pause, and a timeline. If you don't immediately see the video appear, wait a few seconds and then refresh the page. Also, make sure you have edit access to the page and that your file is a supported format. Large files can take longer, so a reliable connection helps ensure a smooth upload. That's all there is to it. You've gone to notion.com, logged in, opened the right workspace and page, used the / command to insert a video block, and uploaded a video from your computer. Your content is now neatly embedded and ready to use within your Notion workflow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.